Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SoildWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SoildWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about mirror parts or component. See, this is the simple part, so I am going to mirror this. Select the mirror command. So we have to select the plane or face. So I am going to show with face. Select this face and features. Select these two features. See, you can see the preview. So here we have to select propagate visual properties. See here, this is the simple one. So I am going to show you one more example. So this is the component. So I am going to mirror this component. See, in earlier condition we have selected this face, but here I am going to create a plane. So select the right plane and create this plane. So I am going to flip this direction and distance is 20 mm. So this is the plane. Now I am going to create mirror about this plane. So I am going to select this plane. See here, if I select these features, see here, I am going to select all the features. So due to some graphical error or graphical calculation, this mirror feature doesn't create. See here, it throws an error, unable to create instances from the pattern. Try again, decreasing the number of instances at the distance between the instances. So if you find this kind of problem, then we have to select this option, bodies to mirror. So we have to select this and we have to open this folder. See, solid bodies. Simply select this. So instead of merge, we have to uncheck this because there is a gap between these components and say OK. See, this is created. So these are the two methods to mirror this component. Thanks for watching.